The Slim Swim. Snoop was a cool and slim slug that loved to swim. He had a jump in the pool. With a fast twist, he hit the pool with no smack or slap. Twip, swoo! Snoop gasped as it was good. And he went on to swim and swim. Snoop swam and swam. End to end, he felt smug that he was so fit and slim. In jumped Trev the dog. He hit the pool with a big smack and a slap. Ow! Trev gasped. The smack and slap had left a big red blot on his bottom. Snoop acted like a snob and went to tell Big Trev that he was a mutt. Big Trev, you cannot jump and swim when you are not slim, said Snoop. Big Trev was sad. He wanted to be slim, but he was a big drip. One week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks. Big Trev swam twin runs at the pool. Big Trev was now fit and slim. Just like Snoop Slug, Big Trev was a snap. They had a race. Big Trev versus Slim Snoop. Trev was as fast as a tram and won.